everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Blowing Coupons. So today's video is about what I purchased from Walmart. I did a Walmart Ibotta haul. I had a great time doing my Walmart Ibotta haul, and most of my items were either very cheap or a low out of pocket. So I'm excited. All right, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Let's get ready for this Ibotta rebate Walmart haul. But before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You know why? Because I show you how to save money, honey. Yes. All right, so we're gonna start with the kettle chips. I got my handy paper right here because I don't remember all the price. All right, so the kettle chips. I like kettle chips. I like sea salt and vinegar. I usually eat them with my tuna, stuff like that. So that's why I got the sea salt and vinegar. And they even better when they got a coupon. Yes. So these were $2.98. I bought 2 bags of them because the coupon is a coupon from coupons.com. And it's for 2 bags of kettle chips. So $5.96 out of pocket. Minus the dollar coupon made my out of pocket $4.96. Then Ibotta had a rebate for $1. So my final out of pocket for the 2 bags of kettle chips were $3.96, which is a great deal. All right, the Dixie cups. The Dixie cups is something that I needed for the office. We don't have any cups, so I bought some for the office. These are $2.48 at Walmart. The Ibotta rebate was for $1.50. So my final out of pocket after the rebate was 98 cents. I'm excited about these, y'all. Free. And it has argan oil in it. Now, I didn't even know that Shea Butter made a hand sanitizer. Tell me in a comments below if you knew the Shea Moisture made hand sanitizer and they made it with argan oil. Now I haven't tried it yet. I'll let you know in the next video how did it work out, but free hand sanitizer is okay with me. So these are $2.97 at Walmart. We currently have a coupon for for $6 off 2 Shea Moisture products. So $2.97. I bought 6 of them. 2 for 6 because I used 6 coupons. So $2.97 times 6 makes it $17.82. I used 3 $6 coupons, making my final out of pocket free plus an 18-cent money maker. Yes. Woo! Free hand sanitizer. I'm probably gonna go back and get some more because who don't need free hand sanitizer? And they got argan oil in it. So that should be great. All right, free hand sanitizer. The next thing I purchased was the La smoothies. I like these smoothies. I got strawberry and I got pina colada. In the morning, if I'm rushing to work, I just grab one and maybe a granola bar, and that sometimes be my lunch in the morning if I don't have time. So I usually always purchase these. The La yogurt at Walmart is $3.32. I bought 2 of them, making my out of pocket $6.64. The Ibotta rebate was for $1.50. So it's for 75 cents per container, so $1.50. My final out of pocket for both containers of La yogurt smoothie, $5.14 for for both packs. The next thing I picked up was this Tropicana Caribbean Sunset. Now I never tried this one. I do like the Tropicana strawberry peach. That is my favorite juice, y'all. I probably gained a lot of weight off the strawberry peach. I could drink a whole thing of strawberry peach by itself. The next one I think I liked was the peach mango. Is it peach mango? It might be peach mango, but man, the strawberry peach. So the Caribbean Sunset I've never tasted. I don't know what it said it's made of. I guess pineapple, cherry, apples, something like that. So Ibotta has a rebate for free after you purchase this. So this is $2.14 at Walmart. The Ibotta rebate is $2.14, making my Tropicana Caribbean Sunset free after the rebate. Coke coffee. Now y'all, I don't know who thought Coke and coffee go together. That's why it's on Ibotta for a rebate, because wasn't nobody feeling that. So $1.88 at Walmart. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.88, making this free after the rebate. Let me know, somebody let me know if they taste this Ibotta, if they taste this Coca-Cola coffee. That sounds weird. Let me know if somebody tastes this in the comments below, because I don't know if I'm gonna take a chance and taste this. But let me know if you taste this I keep on saying Ibotta coffee. This Coca-Cola coffee, it was free. But I don't know. I need to get some opinions about it before I try it, because I ain't on that. Okay, the next thing I picked up was the soft soap. Now, I'm starting to like this soft soap. I mixed the soft soap and my Dove together. I like the smell of these, but it's not as moisturizing as Dove. It comes with cocoa oil. So I usually mix them two together. I mix my soft soap and my Dove on my towel, and I'm starting to like that combination. So I picked up one. It's $3.97 at Walmart. We have a 75-cent coupon in our previous insert, so it brought my price down to $3.22. Ibotta has also a 75-cent rebate, making my final out of pocket for the soft soap body wash $2.47. Okay, so I was excited about the Rimmel products. My coupon was about to expire for these Rimmel products, so I'm glad I found some Rimmel stuff on clearance. So for the Rimmel eyeshadow, it's $3.10. I had a $2 coupon from coupons.com off Rimmel eye products, so it took $2 off, making my out of pocket for the eyeshadow $1.10. Ibotta gave me back $3.20 for a rebate, so it made my final out of pocket free, plus a $2.10 money maker. Yes. Alright, so I picked up this Brow This Way. It was $3.20. I also had a $2 coupon that I printed off coupons.com, making my final out of pocket for the Brow This Way $1.20. I think I had maxed out maybe it, because I didn't get, I'm gonna look back on here and see why I didn't get a rebate for the Brow This Way, but maybe I had maxed it out with the other two products. But $1.20 is my final out of pocket for the Brow This Way. The Rimmel London Matte foundation. I actually like this foundation. Or is it concealer? No, it's a foundation. I like this matte I keep saying concealer. I like this matte foundation, flawless finish. It's usually like $6 or $7. They have it on. Let's see how much it is. Yeah, for $4.97. Was $4.97. It's a little bit more expensive than that at CVS, but $2.85. It was marked down on clearance. I had my $2 off coupon for coupons.com, making my out of pocket 85 cents, and then my Ibotta rebate gave me back a total of $2.80. Making my out of pocket free for this Rimmel London, plus a $1.95 money maker. Yes. Okay, the next thing I picked up was the Vaseline. I usually get this from Target, but this time I got it from Walmart. The Vaseline lotion is $3.48 at Walmart. At Walmart. I got two of them. I didn't even add that up. So $7 out of pocket, minus two $4 coupons. Making my out of pocket $3. So my final out of pocket for the Vaseline is $3 for both. or by $1.50 for each one. Okay, so this Almay concealer, I like this Almay concealer. I've used it before. It adjusts to your skin tone. I like it, to be honest. So I picked up one when I seen it was on clearance for $4. I couldn't find, I think my Almay coupons had expired, but Ibotta was giving me back a rebate of $3, so making my final out of pocket for the Almay $1. The next thing I picked up, I didn't think I was going to get these, but it ended up being a great deal. So the big pens are $5.97, and you get 12 pens in a pack. So which is great. So $5.97 times 2 is $11.94. I had a $2 off coupon, big coupon that was in my previous inserts. My out of pocket would be $9.94. My Ibotta rebate gave me back $6 for buying 2, making my final out of pocket $3.94 is my final out of pocket for 24 packs of pens. Alright, y'all already know I love Persil. I love Persil. Yes, so I had a $2 coupon for each Persil. They're $4.94 at Walmart. So it took a $2 off this one and $2 off that one, making each of them $2.94 out of pocket. And my rebate gave me back $1.50. $2.94 off the coupon. Ibotta gave me back $2, making my cost 94 cents out of pocket for each one. I think that's how that went. If that's wrong, I'll let y'all know on the screen if that's wrong. But my final out of pocket is 94 cents for the Persil. I love Persil. Okay, so for the Febreze small spaces, we have a coupon in our last PNG that we just got, our February PNG, for buy one get one free. So these are $2.94. Buy one, get one free. And I love this smell again and the Hawaiian one. So buy one get one free, making my out of pocket $1.47 for both of them. And the last thing I purchased was these big mechanical pens. I usually give these away in this big pen. So these were $2.47 for the Gel Pro, $2.47, and for the mechanical pens we're looking at $5.11. No, both of them were $2.47. $2.47. So that makes my out of pocket $5.11. I had a $2 coupon that took $2 off. So my final out of pocket for both packs of pens and a pack of pencils and a pack of pens were $3.11 is my final out of pocket. Now, this is how it all panned out. After my Ibotta rebates and my coupons, I paid a total of $30.58 out of pocket for all those items. I walked into Walmart with a $25 Ibotta e-gift card. So I used it on my purchase of $30.58. I used my $25 gift card. So after my rebates, my coupon, and my Ibotta e-gift card, I paid a total of $5.58 out of pocket. Ibotta gave me back $26.72. Who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Pack. Oh, I say ain't nobody better than Beauty Pack. I gotta find another way. Ain't nobody better than blowing coupons. Yes, $26.72 out of pocket. I received back from Ibotta. So making my final out of pocket for all those items $5.58. All right, thank you all for watching. Make sure you go and see if these coupons and these rebates are still on Ibotta before you go to Walmart. Before you walk in, make sure all these coupons have not expired or the rebate has not expired off Ibotta or has went away before you even go shopping at Walmart, because I did this, let me see, I did it Saturday. I did this either Saturday or Sunday. I can't remember, but it's been a couple of days, so just make sure that your Ibotta rebates are still on there. All right, thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. We blowing coupons, and now I'm out.